Hey, it's Eric, and I wanted to show you how to play the rhythm to Number the Beast by Iron Maiden. It starts out with a palm muted lick, alternating between the A and the D string. We're going to be at D, starting on the note D with our second finger. Slowly that riff. One things to count here is the beginning is 3 hits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it goes down to C, and it plays the exact same shape in C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then once again, 1, 2, 3, shift back to D. So a little bit faster with that opening lick. You can do power chords like this. Single notes, whichever one. Alright, then when it gets to the big screams, it's simply between D and C. And then we get to the verse riff. And the verse riff has a very interesting strum to it. I'm going to play it once. It's mostly in D. That would be one repetition, or one cycle rather. So slowly we get, just pay attention to the muting and the unmuting. It starts out unmuted. Down, up, down, up, down, down. The last 2 down, downs are muted. So once again, down, up, down, up, and then down, up, down, up. And it repeats that. Now, after we play that enough times, we have this tail piece down to A. So it's A, C, and B. Pretty easy there. And it just ends with some unmuted. Put the whole piece together for the verse. About full speed. Then we get to this C, G over B, back to C, D. Okay, right before the solo there's a walk-up, kind of like a blues extension here, starting in D. Moves up a full step. Now the extension is just a half step. Up a half step, back to the blues extension with that pinky, ending on G. So. To the solo, and the first solo is just B flat to F. Notice how I'm getting the first chord to ring out and palm muting the rest. 1, 2, 3. Then there's this synchronized line. It goes from D to C. This is very pentatonic here. We slide up to the 7th fret. So once again, Then it goes down from C to B flat. We do the lick in the first position. So the whole piece, and this is all going to be tabbed out, so just look at the tabs if this is too fast or you're wondering what the notes are. Right here, for the next solo, it's pretty much a D minor shape, going from the roots to the flat third, to the fourth, flat six, flat seven. That's Heavy Metal 101 right there. So. And then at the end of it, there's a bass solo, and it does the same thing, but it substitutes the low F for the high F. So it would be. And gosh, I think that's the entire song. I think that's all the riffs in it. It goes to a verse. So once again, that is the hardest riff of the entire piece, and it's right here. Full speed.